Good morning student. Today we discuss about efflorescent substance and deliquescent substance. Now we first discuss about efflorescent substance. Those substances which lose their moisture in the atmosphere is known as efflorescent substance. These substances change their state after losing their moisture. It changes into amorphous state after losing their moisture. The substance, when they lose their moisture, this phenomenon is known as efflorescence. They lose their moisture, and we can also say that those substances which lose their moisture in the atmosphere are called efflorescent substance, and this phenomenon is known as efflorescence. This phenomenon is known as efflorescence. The example of efflorescent substance is a washing soda. The formula of washing soda is Na2CO3.10H2O, and blue vitriol. The formula of blue vitriol is CuSO4.5H2O. Yes, the formula of blue vitriol is CuSO4.5H2O. Both are the efflorescent substance. The vapor pressure of hydrated salt is very high. The vapor pressure of hydrated salt is very high. And the vapor pressure of hydrated salt will exceed the atmospheric humidity. Increase the atmospheric humidity, or we can say that the vapor pressure of hydrated salt exceeds the vapor pressure of vapor pressure of atmosphere. So also we can say that they help to increase atmospheric humidity. Humidity depends upon the number of mole of water molecule. As they lose their moisture, that means the number of water molecule, the mole of water molecule, as they lose their water molecule, so the humidity of atmosphere increases. So we can say that the vapor pressure of hydrated salt exceeds the vapor pressure of atmosphere. So atmospheric humidity also increases. Now discuss the deliquescent substance. Those substances which absorb the moisture from the atmosphere are called deliquescent substance, and this phenomena is known as deliquescence. These substances change into liquid state after absorption of moisture. After the absorption of moisture, they change into liquid state. Now, the example of deliquescent substance is FeCl3NaOH. The vapor pressure of deliquescent substance is very low. If the vapor pressure of deliquescent substance is very low, so it can't increase the atmospheric humidity. It can't help to increase the atmospheric humidity. So it helps to decrease the atmospheric humidity by absorbing moisture. Now we discuss some differences between efflorescent substance and deliquescent substance. Efflorescent substance lose their moisture in the atmosphere, but deliquescent substances are those substances which absorb the moisture from the atmosphere. They change into amorphous state after losing moisture. They change into liquid state after absorption of moisture. The phenomena of losing moisture is known as efflorescence. The phenomenon of absorbing moisture is known as deliquescence. Example of efflorescent substance is washing soda, Na2CO3.10H2O, blue vitriol, CuSO4.5H2O. But the example of deliquescent substance is FeCl3 and NaOH. Now here we observe that the efflorescent substance contain a water molecule. That means they all are hydrated salt. They all are hydrated salt. So we can say that hydrated salt, so the nature of efflorescent substance, hydrated salt behave as a efflorescent substance, but here we observe that they don't have any water molecule, so they are anhydrous substance. Efflorescent substance behave as a hydrated salt behave as a efflorescent substance, and anhydrous salt behave as a deliquescent substance. They are anhydrous salt, they are hydrated salt. Now the vapor pressure of hydrated salt is very high, the vapor pressure of deliquescent salt is very low. It helped to increase the atmospheric humidity. It helped to decrease the atmospheric humidity. Thank you, class.